Welcome back! In today's video I'll be showing you how to live stream to Twitch from a Windows 11 PC or laptop. You will be able to live stream your desktop as well as added images such as a stream overlay, as we'll be using OBS. OBS is a free piece of software that also allows you to record your PC screen too, and there are a few slightly different versions of it. We'll use standard OBS in this video, but the method will be very similar in other versions. You can use this method if you want to stream content from a games console that is using a capture card connected to your PC. You'll just need to make sure you choose the correct video source a little later on. If you don't have OBS installed already, I have a separate video that will walk you through the entire setup process, including some of the settings you might want to change. Click the card on screen now to watch that video. It's less than 10 minutes, so it won't take too long. Once it's set up, you can return to this video and we'll set up the live stream. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. In OBS, you should see a preview of what will be streamed. You can add multiple sources in the sources section, and this could include things like an image overlay. Also, make sure the settings are tailored to what you want your stream to look like and the capabilities of both your internet connection and computer hardware for encoding. You will likely need to test this out and maybe adjust things after every stream to find the perfect settings. To now live stream, we first need to connect the OBS software with your Twitch account. There might be two separate ways to do this depending on the version of the software you are using, and either should work fine. If you only have one choice to connect the stream, whether it's connecting your account or using the stream key, just follow that method. Head into the settings and then go to the stream tab. In here, you will see the ways to connect and set up your stream. We'll first use the account creation method and then we'll use the stream key method. First, make sure Twitch is selected and then click on Connect Account. A new window should now open and it may take a few moments to load. When it does load, you need to log into your Twitch account. Complete the verification to log in, and then you need to authorize OBS to use your Twitch account. This is safe as long as it is the official Twitch page, which it will be from OBS, although if you don't feel comfortable doing this or if it doesn't work, you can use the next method with the stream key. After authorizing, it should close the window and connect. Click on OK or Apply to close the settings. You are now ready to stream, so all you need to do is click on Start Streaming and then it should work. You might have things like the Twitch chat that you can pin in OBS as well. For the second way to stream to your Twitch account, we need to get the stream key. This is found on Twitch itself, so open up a browser and log into the Twitch account you want to stream on like you would normally. On Twitch, go to your logo in the top right and click on it. On the menu that opens, choose Create a Dashboard. Before we get the stream key, I thought it was worth mentioning that you can read more about setting up Twitch on OBS as well as on other software by going to the Streaming Tools section from the list on the left. To continue with getting the stream key, click on Settings from the list of options on the left, and then make sure you are in the stream settings. The word stream should be in purple. At the top of the stream settings, it should say Stream Key. This is obviously very sensitive and should never be seen or shown, so be careful. Click on Copy and it will copy the key to the clipboard. Head back into OBS and then paste it into the stream key box. All you need to do now is click on Apply or OK and close the OBS settings. You should now be ready to stream and you can click on Start Streaming to begin. There will be other settings and ways to customize and manage your stream on Twitch itself, so you may want to check those settings first. And so that is how to live stream to Twitch from a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. That video might help improve the performance of OBS and allow you to record or stream in higher settings. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.